if you've seen some of my videos, it said always keep extra memory cards with you. This little camcorder I'm recording on, this little Osmo Pocket 3, I forgot to put my memory card back in. So I panicked and I looked in my bag that I brought with me. Here, I call it my little green bag, and nothing in it. I did have my FPV drone bag, and it had two. My FPV bag had 2 extra SD cards in it for working my Osmo Pocket 3, so got that. So why are we here? Came out to take some pictures, prepping for a video, and specifically I came looking for these. These are on what we call Cardinal Trail, and the sun is hitting this leaf beautiful right here, and I'll share a picture right about now here for you, and I'll put the settings with it as well. These are Pawpaw Trees, and this trail is full of them. There's a little bit further down the trail, there's a lot more. This just happens to be the first grove of them. I just talked to a friend, he said this is typically one tree with just little offshoots coming up all around it. And they're way out here by the trail. But here's what I got. Got my tripod, my backpack down here, and there's a chair in the back of it, and the side of it. I'll show it to you in just a minute.